The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now quick and fast, I'm going to talk to you about some videos that are circulating on social media. You see me? And the first video I'm going to talk to you about is about a video circulating on social media where it is said that Skillibeng fell off a bike, or you could say a motorcycle. And I'm talking about Skillibeng, the musician. You see me? Yeah. So when me hear that, I say, but wait, I'm going to do some research to see if it is true. You see me? Because you know, social media sometimes some information circulating on social media can be a bun up. You see what I say? Alright, so I did my research and got some information that Skillibeng is okay and that is alright. And I also saw a video circulating on social media where it is said that Skillibeng responded to the video about him dropping off of a bike. You see me? Now I'm going to present just a piece of the video to you. See me? And some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
First thing, the way I send out that video there, I suck your mama. The first somebody will send out that video there, because I don't know if I'm going to talk about me. The say they want me dead, you know. Boy, you want go on.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information as to who fell off the bike shown in the video. So may I say to you, I don't have any information at all. But however, that video that is circulating on social media, I think I saw that video some time ago, but I just cannot quite remember. Alright, so I'll move on to another video or another topic. Now it had came to my attention that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, took a dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. You see me? Yeah, it is said that he had been injected with a dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. You see? And it is said that this had happened on the 22nd of March, the year 2021. See it? It is said that not only Andrew Holness did this, but his wife and other persons as well. You see me? Now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show what happened when the Prime Minister was being injected with the COVID-19 vaccine. You see? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Given to our Prime Minister. 0.5 in the dosage.
Oh, so both of them got how many doses?
10 doses.
10. What about small vial? Care about his vaccine.
Hold on,
Now for those who say, oh, me not take no vaccine unless the Prime Minister and members of Parliament take the vaccine for COVID-19, well, just to let you know, you know. Now I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, and the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show more than one person's yelling and shouting at one or maybe more than one person's. Yes, what I said to you, I don't have any information as to exactly where or exactly when this video had been recorded, but however, this video shows persons saying some words that are considered to be bad words or harsh languages in Jamaican language. Yes, what I said to you. However, this video has been talked about because of the confrontation. And I'm going to present it to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about it. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Move that now. Move this now. Move this now. Move black clot this now. Mr. Move this! Move the black clot! Move the black clot! Move the car! 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 Move it out of the way. Move the car out of the way. Move the car out of the way. Move the car out of the way. Move the boy.
Move it out of the way. 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 Make me get to bar. Hey, move the car out of the blood clot way. Come slow. You go that way.
The police coming, no problem.
The police come in, no problem, because him have to go down. Him have to go down because him run at the man car.
Very contrary. Then if him a call someone so, I think it is best for us to respect each other. You see what I mean? Yeah, we should try our best to respect each other, no matter who you are. Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video has been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows what happened when the police within the country of Jamaica pulled over a motorist. It is said that the motorist said some very disrespectful things to one or maybe more than one police officers. You see me? However, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about it. Alright, I do not know when this video has been recorded or exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video has been recorded. Alright, and before I present this video to you, here is a warning. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Sir, watch your language. Sir, watch your language. Watch your language, sir. Sir, watch your language. Alright, no problem.
If don't go to that in the ship, and you want to fucking drive me terminate, charge me to rascal, man.
Sir, watch your language.
Man, you see every fucking year, every fucking time you see me, I go,
sir,
you see me,
sir,
fuck off, man. Sure.
Alright, that last one in
I
there.
don't give a fuck, man.
Alright.
Sure.
Him seems angered, perturbed. Imasa. Viewers and subscribers, always try your best to not get into trouble with the law. You see what I say? Alright, so let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw news articles and I saw news reports, and I even saw videos circulating on social media about a protest that is known as Kill the Bill that happened within a place that is known as Bristol, that is within England, United Kingdom. You see me? And according to the news articles and the news reports and the videos that I saw, it is said that the protest turned out into a riot. You see me? It is said that thousands of persons turned up to that protest that is known as Kill the Bill protest. You see me? And it is said that civilians and police officers clashed. You see me? Yeah, it is said that many persons had been arrested, and it is said that police officers got injured. It is said that persons got injured. You see what I'm saying to you? It is said that persons throw objects at a police station. It is said that properties had been destroyed or damaged. It is said that a police vehicle had been set on fire, and other things had been said about the protest and what happened. You see? It is said that the protest that is known as Kill the Bill happened on the 21st of March, the year 2021. Or you could say that the whole thing where it is said that the protest turned into a riot happened on the 21st of March, the year 2021. You see what I'm saying to you? I also saw videos circulating on social media that shows some of the things that happened when it comes on to the Kill the Bill protest and so on. But because of some of the things that have been shown in those videos, I cannot present those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. But however, here's a piece of a video right here without any audio, just so that you can have an understanding as to what it looks like when it comes on to the Kill the Bill protest. You see me? Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave it, yeah, viewers and subscribers. You know, big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.